is you're not grinding. You're not grinding. You're taking days off. Hear me, hear me well. I want you to know that there are many of you who are not where you're supposed to be, not because you don't have what it takes to get there. You are not where you're supposed to be because your dreams and your grind are not congruent. Your dreams are big, your dreams are gigantic, and your grind is small. And I need you to do me a favor. I would prefer your dream be small and your grind be big, because